Okay, to understand chemistry, we have to be familiar with the periodic table. Now, here I've drawn the periodic table of the elements up on the board here, and I want to go through what exactly this table tells us. You can see that we have all of the elements written out in groups, and those groups are going to be the columns here. So every element within a group fits within a particular column. You'll see we also have rows, and each of these rows tell us the number of what we call orbitals or shells that surround the nucleus of an atom. We'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. Today I just want to tell you or talk to you a little bit about the periodic table and how it works. So here we see that every element on the periodic table has its own cell within the table, and each cell will tell us something about a particular element. So if we start over here, we start here with hydrogen, and in that cell for hydrogen we'll see that it has its atomic symbol. For hydrogen it happens to be H. For carbon it would be C. For sodium it's Na, and so on. We can also see here at the top we will have the number 1. The number 1 for hydrogen actually is the number of protons in that element. This number is what we call our atomic number. And that atomic number equals the number of protons. Remember, protons are those positively charged elements that are in the nucleus. Now down here we will have something called the atomic mass, and here you'll see that for hydrogen, the atomic mass is 1. And the atomic mass is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons within the nucleus of an element. So that kind of gives you an idea of the periodic table. If you look at the periodic table, you will see that every element has its own place within the table, and each part of the table has its symbol, its atomic mass, and its atomic number.